9, you can hold me in the area.
Okay, hold me in the area. 10-1 station, you 10-3 for North unit.
Door 410. The lady at the front desk said they heard 2 shots from the 4th floor.
Careful, they hit the front desk, heard 2 shots.
King 9, I'm getting flagged down by citizens advised. Right there, Potomac Passage. Just pass it, just pass it.
Sam, what do you got?
Give me the radio, 7-8 knife, 7-8 knife. Drop that gun! Drop it! Drop it! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Shots fired! Shots fired! American Way in River Haven.
American Way in River Haven, shots fired.
Everybody watch out for crossfire.
Drop the gun! Drop that knife!
Watch out for crossfire.
Drop that knife!
Well, we got 3 officers making approach. Contact with.
10-4, got the knife, he's on the ground. 3 officers making approach.
Get the tech kick. I'm getting a tech kick. Send it fireboard. Hey, cuff him! Cuff him!
And American Way in River Haven.
Put Potomac Passage and American Way and Potomac Passage. Let's put it that way.
10-4, copy American Way in Potomac Passage.
Departmental shooting.
10-4, departmental shooting.
Departmental shooting.
Fire forecaster now.
And it's going to be the subject from the fire.
This will be the suspect from the fire.
Norfolk down, we got 1 shot.
See, we're not here when we pull up here.
I know.
Need chest seals?
Potomac Passage, please, sir.
Yeah, we'll probably need that. Cut his shirt off.
One shot at Potomac Passage.
Cut his shirt off.
Cut the shirt off.
Who's got scissors?
Scissors right here.
Any officers injured? Any officers injured?
Negative. Negative.
Where's the 7 at?
Knife is, I kicked the knife back. Right here.
All right.
You got chest seals?
Yeah, I got it.
All right. Yeah, I'm good.
We can take a few minutes.
Alright, you can hold me in the area. Okay, hold me in the area.
10-1 station, you 10-3 for North unit.
Door 410. The lady at the front desk said they heard 2 shots from the 4th floor.
10-4, they hit the front desk, heard 2 shots on the 4th floor.
King 9, I'm getting flagged down by citizens advised. Right there, Potomac Passage. Just pass it, just pass it. Yeah, what do you got?
.34 John, 10-3, he's got a knife. Hey, drop the knife! 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 Get to cover! Get to cover! Get out! Get out!
Shots fired. Shots fired.
Shot fired. Shot fired.
Copy, shots fired.
American way of Riverhaven.
American way of Riverhaven, shots fired.
Everybody watch out for crossfire.
Officers, watch out for crossfire.
Keep it 10-3. Keep it 10-3. He's dropped the knife. He's on the ground. We got 3 officers making approach. Start fireboard.
10-4, dropped the knife. He's on the ground. 3 officers making approach. Is that a 145 Riverhaven?
Step back. Step back. Step back.
American way of
Hey, you got a trauma kit?
At American way of Riverhaven.
Put Potomac Passage and
You got a trauma kit, him?
Potomac Passage. Put it that way.
10-4, copy, American way of Potomac Passage.
What's your name, man? What's your name? Aevon? Aevon, why do you have a knife, man?
Departmental shooting.
Come on, Aevon. Come on. Come on. Can you just keep it? Yeah. Can we check for defects?
From the fire.
This will be the suspect from the fire.
I'm trying to find him. Can we turn him to a side so we can try and find the defect? I see the cuts right here. Okay, there's one in right there.
Check his, We're not here when you pull up here.
I know.
Just fucking take it off. I think he's on the leg.
Potomac Passage, please, street.
Yeah, we'll probably need that. Cut his shirt off.
Yep.
One shot of Potomac Passage.
You got trauma series? Alright, well, let's get this stuff back.
Any officers injured?
You got
Any
gauze?
officers injured?
No.
Negative. Negative. Departmental shooting.
Departmental shooting, no officers injured.
Stay with me. Stay with me, all right? Stay with me.
Stuff it if you can, Kelsey. Try and put it in.
Yeah, I got it. Watch out.
Try and stuff it first. Try and plug it first.
Plug it.
Yeah, try and put. You have trauma gauze? Somebody got gauze?
I got combat gauze right
Trauma gauze? Yeah.
Come on. Stay with me. Hey, look. Stay with me.
Come on, Aevon. Come on.
Come on, baby. Who got the trauma gauze? Stay with me, all right? Yo. Combat gauze. Come on, baby. Stay with me, okay? Come on, breathe. Fight. Come on, keep your eyes open, man. Come on.
They heard 2 shots on the 4th floor.
Yeah, well, they hit the front desk or 2 shots on the 4th floor.
Getting flagged down by citizens advised. Right there. Potomac Passage. Just pass. Okay, what do you got? Radio, 789.
Copy, 789. Yeah. You know your location. Shots fired. Copy, shots fired.
American way of Riverhaven.
American way of Riverhaven, shots fired.
Everybody watch out for crossfire.
Officers, watch out for crossfire. Just watch out for